This is the biggest airdrop right now because they are giving away over $100 million at the end of the airdrop. And as the airdrop is ongoing, 3 random persons wins $100 each day, and the top participants will share an extra $150,000. So let me show you how to make the most reward from this airdrop. Now, there are basically 2 categories of things you have to do. One is the social media tags, and 2 is the swap pattern. This airdrop is done by LayerOneX. LayerOneX is a 4th generation layer 1 blockchain. It is tagged built to unite because it solves the problem of interoperability. Now, the problem with blockchains is that when you build on one of them, you don't have access to liquidity across the other ones. I cannot swap coins on Solana or Ethereum on PancakeSwap or swap BSC coins on Radium. But when you build on LayerOneX, you can access liquidity across other blockchains at very low fees. Over 2 million transactions has occurred on this chain with a fee lower than 10 times a cent. If you need more information about LayerOneX, you can find it on their website. Everything is here. Now let's talk about how to take part in the airdrop. LayerOne blockchain is giving away 10 million LX1. This is over $120 million because the price of LX1 is now $12.17. And all you have to do is just 2 things, 2 categories of things. One is social tax, and the second one is to swap on chain. After this, the more swap you do, the more allocation you will get. So the first thing you do is to come to tax on. The link is in the description. Use that link to come to tax on, and you just take part in this campaign. So everything is here. These are the tax. These are the things you have to do, and it is all listed here. Just come and start doing it one after the other. The more of them you do, the higher allocation you get. Now, I received a message on Telegram by one of my community members who gained over 2 million naira by just performing tax. He took it serious and performed tax. So this is what you can get by just taking part in this tax. Like here, I've already joined, connected my X account. What I'll do next is just to take part in all these tax. So I'm going to join Discord. So once I've joined Discord, I'll come here and click on verify and claim. And I'll continue doing this for other tasks. So I have done this first task. Once you do them, you can see there, you see one. I've done all these ones. Some of them are daily, so you might need to come and do them every other day just to claim the points. The one that is pending is this: invite a friend to join. And the next one is this, basically to learn more about LayerOneX, because LayerOneX is a platform that you can actually use to do swaps. We'll get to that. Anyways, I'm going to visit the website and just go visit learn. Now, this brings us to the swaps. So I've done the social tax. The next one is the swaps. This is how you also qualify for the $100 daily, or to take part in the share of the $150,000 at the end of the campaign. The first one is to perform 5 swaps on LX1. So I'll click on it. This will bring me to the website where I'll perform the tax. I'll also leave the link in the description for you. So here, I'll go ahead and connect my wallet. When you click here, you just come here to connect wallet. Click on it. I have MetaMask on. So I'll just go ahead and connect my wallet. So that is connected, and I'll simply come to perform my first swap. I'm going to swap from Ethereum because I have some money here. I will swap USDT on Ethereum to, I want to swap to BNB. So what amount of USDT? Let me do $50. So I'm going to go ahead and click on send. Let me turn on. Now the transaction is being approved. So this is really simple. You see here that it will end in 14 days. This airdrop campaign is going to end in 14 days. So try to swap as many as you can swap within these 14 days. You can also see the multiple price pools when you come here. If you do up to 30 swaps, you enter the first price pool. This is for the $150,000. If you do up to 100 swaps, you enter the second price pool, and if you do up to 200, you enter the third price pool. All the information are listed here. So I'll go ahead and perform more swap. This first one is taking more time because I'm swapping from Ethereum to BSC. So of course, the Ethereum confirmation time has to be taken into account. But I believe if I'm swapping BSC to BSC, it will take much less time, and that's what I will do next. So this is completed. So I have made a couple of swaps. If I go back to tax on, I can click on verify because I made up to 5 swaps. This next task is perform 25 swap on L1X swap. So I'm going to go ahead and perform as many of these I can do. So everything is just here for you. So what is left for me here is just to do more swaps. As many swaps I can perform, it increases the allocation I'm going to get. It also increases the allocation for me taking part in that $300 given out daily, and $150,000 that's going to be given to the top swappers at the end of the airdrop. I hope you understand this. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section, or you go to Layer1 Telegram Discord channel and ask them your question there. After shooting this video, I just confirmed in an AMA that this airdrop is going to extend to the second quarter of the year. This is giving you more time to farm and get the maximum reward possible. So it's great news. Now, there's one other thing I noticed. Come back to the swap. They added more pairs. When I was making the video initially, they don't have all these pairs, but they have a lot of them now. More chains, more pairs, more crypto for you to swap. So it's really good, and even lower fees from what I noticed right now. I'll see you in the next video.